Hello guys, my name is Ashraf. If your iTop screen recorder not recording screen with audio, then here is the alternative solution to fix this problem. First of all, make sure speaker button is on, then also mic button should be on. Don't worry, it will not record your voice over, but system audio it will record. Then right click on speaker icon, on system tray, then choose sounds option. Now click on playback tab, and check speaker in working. Then select recording tab. Now it is important, you must select stereo device and make it default communication device by right click on it, then again right click on it and make it default device also. Now close all. Let's check now, it working or not. I am recording, Windows volume level bar, clicking sounds. If it is recorded, then all is well. Now, it is recorded, with audio, you fixed it, enjoy. After your work done, reset all audio settings as it was before. And, that's it, problem solved. Thank you guys.